We will discuss about the type conversion. Before discussing, we have to know what is the type conversion and why we need. In a mixed number, on the result can be obtained. Suppose we have a mixed expression, so the result can be obtained in any one form of its data type. It is need to convert the various data type into a single type. Such conversion is termed as the type conversion. That is called the type conversion. In Java, type conversion can be done into the two different types ways. One is implicit type, second is explicit type. Implicit type, in a mixed implicit, in a mixed expression, the data type of result gets automatically converted into the highermost type available in expression without any intervention of the user. So this type of conversion is called the implicit type. For example, this is the hierarchy of the data types. The small unit of the data type is the byte. Small unit is byte. And then character, then short, then integer, then long, then float, and then double. Double is the maximum unit of the data types. Don't see this arrow. This is the arrow for the explicit. So means this is the increasing order of the data types. That is called the implicit type. Means suppose our data is byte, so then we can convert into the characters easily. It can be, there will be the no loss of the data because byte is the small unit and character is the big unit than the byte. And the characters data we can put into the short, and short we can put into the integer. So there will be no loss of the data. Now next is explicit. Explicit type conversion is another way of type conversion in which the data type get converted to another type depending upon the user choice. In this type of conversion, data will loss, because if your data is the double, when you will put the data in float, so then data will be lost because this is the big unit other than float. And suppose your data is float and you will put in the long, so then your data will be the loss. And if you will put the long into the integer, so then your data will be the loss. Now we will discuss about the examples. Integer A, long B and long C. We have to see the implicit type of the conversion. How we will do the implicit type of conversion in this expression. So first of all, we will A, B, C is given. So C is equal to A plus B. Suppose we have calculate like this. So we will convert the conversion implicit from the right side to left. So long B, AB, B, what is the B? Is long and A is integer. Long data type is big than the integer. So then this integer will be converted into the long. This is the implicit type of conversion. Now another examples. Suppose character C, integer I, float R and double D. And expression is D is equal to C I plus C I plus F and divided by D. So first of all we will check from D. D is double and F is float. So then this float will be converted into the double. Now next is it is integer. This is the integer and here is double, and double integer will be converted into the double according to the rules. Suppose it will be only store the value into the higher type of the data. Now this double and this is the character, and this character will be convert into the double. Now explicit example, integer A and B. In the examples, the outcome of the expression A plus B has to be integer, but float provided by the user before the expressions. Suppose we have to convert into the float x is equal to A plus B. So by force we have to convert into the float by using before the expression is float, will cause the result to be forcibly converted into the float type. So hence this type of conversion is called the force conversion or type casting.